What is up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you are returning, hello. It's so good to see y'all again. I'm so excited about today's video because today I have a magic mail video for you guys. I have a few things that some people sent me, and so I just kind of wanted to share them with you. This is I think my first Magic Mail Monday that I'm doing, because I don't get things that often. I don't ask for anything at all by any means, but I just kind of want to show you guys what all I got. And so if you are wanting to see what I got, then definitely keep watching. Also, I'll go ahead and say, also you need to be sure that you're subscribed to my channel so that you get notified whenever I do post a new fun video for you guys, talking about Disney planning and travel and just some lifestyle things as well. So if that is something that is of interest to you, then please be sure to go ahead and subscribe. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. The first thing that I will show you guys is something that I actually, well, these couple of things are things that I actually did purchase. And one of them I purchased in a pin, it's not a pin trading group, but it's like people sell like Disney pins at a affordable price and things like that. But I saw that somebody was selling this in the group and I was like, oh my gosh, I want this. This was released in Disneyland. I don't think it was released at Disney World. And I actually have one pin in this series already. It's the Windows of Magic pin set that's coming out. Like, they have one coming out every year with like a character and all of that. I showed y'all in one of my pin haul videos that I did previously. I'll link it above if you want to check that out. But I did get the Aladdin one because, you know, Aladdin was coming out, and then I wanted to get the Simba one because the Lion King came out as well, and that's what I'm talking about. So let me just go ahead and show y'all. So I bought it from this girl in that group, and here it is in all of its freaking glory. Please don't mind my nails either, but you guys, look at that. It is Simba, and it's, you know, the stained glass element that is in this series. So it is amazing. Look at that. You can see Mufasa there up in the clouds here. You can, right here, you see that? That is gorgeous. Look at all of these elements in here. It's just really pretty. Yeah, I love it. I love it. Oh, and you can tell, if you didn't see, you can see like Rafiki's drawing right here, and Timon and Pumbaa are down here. If you can, you have to look really closely to tell, but it's very pretty. I am actually super glad that I got my hands on this, and I can't wait to add it to my Aladdin collection. So thank you so much to the woman that got that for me. The next one is from a friend here on YouTube. I talked about her quite a bit, but it is Christina from Playdates and Travels. Freaking love her to death. She does live in California, close to Disneyland, so she pretty much has been enabling my Disney addiction. But no, but I love her to death. She is awesome. I told her to pick me up. She was very gracious to pick me up one of the El Capitan, I think that's how you say it, theater pins that come out with releases of Disney movies, and they are limited edition, like super low limited edition size. So like, you have to pretty much know somebody to get your hands on these if you don't live in California. So she did pick one up for me, and I'll read the note that she said. She put it on this awesome like Mickey sticker note. It says, "Hi Mariah, so glad I was able to pick this up for you, and sorry again for taking forever on it. Enjoy, Christina." Girl, it is perfectly fine. We're all busy out here. I was not pressed at all, but I'm just so glad that I got it. I will show you, she also sent me these Lion King stickers, which I will definitely be using, so thank you so much. She and I share, she likes Lion King as well, so yeah, that and Aladdin as well, so we kind of bond over that. But I just love these. I'll definitely use them. Here's the pen. It is a limited edition of 400, guys, so very awesome. She picked it up for me at cost, so thank you so much. So here it is, so I can just stop talking. You can see how big it is based off the palm of my hand, but it says, you know, the El Capitan Theater, and it has The Lion King on it. This is the theater in California where they do show, you know, when Disney releases movies, it is shown in this theater here. So yeah, very awesome. I love this pen so much. They did have an Aladdin one. I didn't get my hands on that, but oh, so pretty. Thank you so much, girl, for picking that up for me. I will link her channel down below if you want to check her out, because she's awesome. The last thing was unexpected. I did not purchase this. This is actually a box from Holly. So Holly also has a channel. I'll link her channel below as well. It's called Holly Ever After. She's actually a client of mine. I helped her plan her last Disney trip for her and her family. So yeah, if you want to hear all about that, she posted a video all about her trip. I will, again, I'll link her channel down below so you can check out her video to see how her whole trip went. But she didn't have to, Holly, you didn't have to do this. She sent me a gift, I guess, as a thank you for helping her plan her trip. And she ended up going to the Christmas party, which I've never been to the Christmas party, which I really do want to go there eventually. So jealous of her that she went, but she did pick, she said she got something for me, and it's all, she knows how much I love Christmas. And look at this. It's, first of all, I just freaking love this Minnie and Mickey here. Oh my God, they're sledding. And it says Mariah. I'm gonna open the card first, because that's what you gotta do. Yes. Oh my gosh, this is such a cute card. It says, he is still found by those who seek him. And the inside says, may his presence abide with you today and in the new year. Have a blessed Christmas. It does have a Bible verse on it. It says, through the tender mercy of our God, whereby the day spring from on high hath granted us to give light to them that sit in darkness, to guide our feet into the way of peace. Oh, I like that. So she's also a fellow believer, fellow Christian, so we do share that, which is awesome. And this is the front of the card in case you didn't see. She wrote, Mariah, how could I ever possibly thank you for helping to make my Walt Disney World vacation so magical? These small gifts don't even begin to show my appreciation, but I hope you love them all the same. May your Christmas be full of magic and blessings from our Lord, and may your new year be the best year ever. Sending you lots of love and hugs, Holly. Oh, thank you so much, Holly. You didn't have to do this. And why did it say gifts, plural? Oh my God, Holly, what the heck? Holly, oh my God. First of all, look at, there's gifts in here, like multiple. What the heck? Holly, why did you do this? Holy crap, there's like a ton of gifts in here. I was not expecting that. Holly. Oh my God. Okay, so let me just start opening stuff. It says, what's this on the front? This wrapping paper is too cute. Oh my gosh, Holly, you did not have to do this. Like, this is crazy. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this is hilarious. She got me the pin, these Mickey and Minnie pins, and they're holding the candy cane. Oh my gosh, I freaking love these. And look at Mickey and his like buffalo check. Oh, and Minnie too. But oh my God, thank you so much, Holly. Y'all know how much I love Disney and Christmas, or she knows this obviously. So thank you for that. I really appreciate that. I'm gonna keep opening. She has another pin in here and I didn't see what it was. Oh my gosh, whoa. I don't think I have this. Okay, look at this. It's the BFF from the VFF pack, and it has Simba, Timon, and Pumbaa. I got the Aladdin and Genie one, but I didn't get this one, so thank you so much. I cannot wait to add that to my collection. Girl, what in the world? This is insane. First of all, you doing too much. This says a mystery. I love this packaging, girl. Where did you get this? A mystery. I don't know. I feel like I'm opening a box, like you know, gifts on Christmas Day. There we go. Mystery snow globe. I saw these on the Disney site, but Lord. Oh my God, Holly, you did not have to do this. Okay, so I guess, oh, you can get Mickey, Minnie, Donald, looks like Goofy, and there's two ones that said question mark. I'm not gonna focus it, but I'm just gonna open it. It's Minnie! Oh my God, look at the base. It's like a little village. It's Minnie, and there's like a little village at the base. Isn't that cute? Oh, and there's like Mickey driving the train. Like, look, and you can shake it up. Oh my gosh. Thank you. I think these are so cute. I think these are such a good mystery like thing to get. Lord, this one says, fingers crossed for Simba. So we're gonna open this. I hate to rip this open because this wrapping paper is awesome. To Mariah from Holly. It says to Mariah from Holly. Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party. Girl, what did you get? Why did you get this stuff for me? You did not have to do this. There's like too much. Oh, you can, oh, here's what you can get. Simba, Stitch, Dopey, Jiminy Cricket, Cheshire Cat, Genie, Pluto, Tinkerbell, and Donald. Are these pins? I don't know what these are. Oh, are they pins? Oh my God, they're pins. What the heck? Okay, let's see what we get. Let's see what we get. Oh my God, these are so cute. Oh, they're actually like Disney pin trading pins. This is Donald. This is so cute. Hopefully y'all can see. There's Donald. And we're gonna go ahead and open the next one. And it's Genie! All right, y'all, so yeah, here's Genie. Hopefully y'all can see him, but these are so cool. I'm definitely adding these, like so much pins and the snow globe. I freaking love it. Girl, I am in heaven right now. This one says, fingers crossed for Jasmine. What is this? This wrapping paper, I need to know where you got it. Can you please let me know? Okay, y'all, my camera died as I was opening these awesome gifts from Holly, but the package on the front, she put like hoping for Jasmine, and so it's actually it's mystery ornaments, and look at what you can get. It's like princess ones: Jasmine, Rapunzel, Ariel, Belle, Cinderella. You get the picture. Oh, they have a Moana one. So let's see what it is. Either way, I'll probably put it on my tree. So, oh my gosh. Okay, so it's not Jasmine, but it is Belle. She is another awesome favorite of mine. Look at her. She is gorgeous. And it's got a little silver ornament hanger you can put on your tree. I will definitely be putting this on my tree. So thank you so much, Holly. I can't even believe that you freaking, you know, this. So this says, so there's two in here. So this says something cozy. I love cozy stuff. So I'm just in love with, holy crap. I'm just in love with this wrapping paper, first of all. Oh my gosh, I can't. I love these. Everybody, oh my God, y'all are just awesome with like sending me, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Wow, what the heck? Whoa, whoa, whoa. These are slipper socks. I love slipper socks. These are what they look like. Girl, these will get use. These will get use. I wear them all the time around the house. So you are awesome. Okay, I can't even believe that you got these things for me. I don't even know what to say, to be honest. Like I didn't expect anything from you at all. I don't expect clients to get me stuff. It is of course nice to feel like appreciated and stuff for what you do and everything. So that is very nice. So I really do appreciate the kindness. So this is the last thing in the box, and it says something yummy. She had these like little gift tags on here that say what it is on the front. So like the something, you know, on the something cozy, like, just so cute. Very thoughtful. Thank you so much. Your wrapping game is strong, girl. Mine is not. My wrapping game is not strong, okay? Okay. Oh my gosh, yes. I freaking love Ghirardelli chocolate. So this is perfect. So this is what she got me. It's the peppermint bark squares. Oh my gosh, Holly, thank you so much for all of these gifts. And oh my gosh, I'm going to send you a message immediately to let you know how thankful I am for you to send this to me. Like, you didn't have to do it again, but I do thank you. And I will be putting this Christmas card up with all, I love getting Christmas cards, so I'll be putting that up as well. Thank you guys again for watching. Please like this video if you liked it, and subscribe, of course, like I mentioned, for more Disney travel and lifestyle content coming at you. And thank everyone again for sending me what they sent me, whether I purchased it or not. Like, I appreciate it. And I think that's gonna be it for today's video. And as always, I hope y'all have a magical day.